G'day guys, I just wanted to bring this to your attention. If you've heard of Google Trends and you've used Google Trends and maybe you put it to the side, I've done it myself. And only on the weekend when we had our political polling here, the election here in Australia, I decided to research a little bit more after I was informed that the political party that ended up getting in was, by all the conventional polls and wisdom of the media and the other type of polls that they put together over the year, all showed negative towards the actual party or one that got in. And it really brought home to my attention that it's very good to look at Google Trends. Now, I want to get off topic to the political thing because that only inspired me to look in to deeper insights into Kartra and also ClickFunnels and put that into the Google Trends engine. And you'll be able to do the same yourself. I can't show you here. But anyway, I'm on the US side of things. I'm not using Australia. I haven't looked it up for Australia, but I thought, pretty much with ClickFunnels and Kartra and things like that, I would get better results using US. But of course, you can use wherever you are, and you can try it out and test whatever keywords that you want to put in, whether it's Kartra, ClickFunnels, entrepreneur, bootstrap marketing, marketing funnels, whatever it may be. It's a good way to get some guides and direction of where you're going with your systems or whatever you are creating in your entrepreneurial ventures and exploring to look at. So I'm using the US tag, and as you can see down here, ClickFunnels is in the blue, and you can see Idaho. Very, very deeper in the blue for ClickFunnels. Not so much for Kartra. Actually, Kartra doesn't register. Must be registering somewhere. Oh, here, down here. So you just click around and you can find what states is popular with your keywords, whether that's ClickFunnels, Kartra, marketing funnels perhaps, bootstrap marketing, whatever other keywords that you cling to, you can go ahead and put in. And you can see that California, ClickFunnels is 29% keyword search term in Google, and Kartra is sitting on 16%. So it can really help you and guide you in many directions, particularly when it comes to the state level. I guess it can help direct if you're an offline marketer or you're wanting to reach a certain target, certain state as a consultant. And if you're particularly using Kartra, it can help you, give you some ideas of, know where your market reach is and know how the competition's going, even though Kartra is a major better product than ClickFunnels. But hey, who am I to say that? I'll let you do your own research, and Google is your friend. So go through all the data. It's quite nicely laid out, gives you a lot of details. Related queries can even give you related queries. So ClickFunnels pricing, so that's come up a lot. For whatever reason, you can dig down into that. So this is only an example, guys. You can use the Google Trend tools how you want to use it, and use it purposely to guide your path and direction that you're taking. And please get back to your guide. If you have a guide right now, I encourage you to get back to your guide because there's a lot happening here, and there's a lot to be seen and learned very soon. So stay tuned, and hopefully you find this valuable. Have a great day, and thanks for viewing for now.